let you see Big Bird. Yeah, Elmo loves to play with Big Bird. Big Bird! Big Bird! Oh, hi, Selena.
Hi, Elmo.
Hi, Gordon.
Hi, Elmo.
Oh, can Big Bird come out and play?
Well, Big Bird's here, but,
Yeah, but, he's not himself today.
No? Well, who is he then? The Queen of Sheba? Elmo is so funny! Excuse Elmo.
No, wait a minute. No, Elmo. You see, Big Bird is a little sick today.
Wah, 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 wah. Big Bird doesn't sound sick to Elmo.
Well, he feels fine.
Yeah, but you see, he has a certain kind of flu.
A certain kind of flu?
Yes, it's a flu. It's a flu that only a 6-year-old, 8-foot-tall yellow bird can get. It's called the memory flu.
The memory flu?
Yes, Elmo, and it's called that because Big Bird's memory flew. And he can't remember anything.
Wah, 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 wah. Gordon, Elmo still doesn't understand.
Well, okay, Elmo, you know what your memory is, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the thing that makes you remember things. Like, do you remember your name?
Of course. Elmo. Elmo is Elmo's name.
Right, and do you remember my name?
Gordon. And you're Selena.
That's
Right, and do you remember where you live?
Gordon. Elmo lives on Sesame Street.
Right. Exactly. Well, Elmo, Big Bird can't remember any of those things because he has the memory flu.
Big Bird can't remember his name or Gordon's or Selena's name or where he lives?
That's right.
Yep.
That's silly.
Hey, who's that little red thing?
Little red thing?
Yeah, I don't believe we've ever met.
Elmo is Elmo. Big Bird doesn't remember?
No, but it's nice meeting you. La, 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 la.
See what we mean?
Oh, no.
Well, listen, Elmo, we don't want you to worry, though, because we've seen the doctor, and she said that there is a way that we can help Big Bird get his memory back.
But what, Selena? What can we do?
Okay, well, this is what we need to do. We have to try and get Big Bird to see and be with all those who love him and all the things that he loves.
Big Bird has to see and be with all those who love him and all the things he loves, and then he can get his memory back?
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Well, what are we waiting for? We love him. Let Big Bird see and be with us. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Come on. Yeah. Elmo and Big Bird's are friends.
Elmo? Friend? Right?
Right.
And I'm Selena. You know, Selena, the dance teacher. I run the dance studio.
Oh, Selena. Dance studio. Got it.
And I'm Gordon, the high school science teacher.
Gordon. High school science teacher.
And I'm Susan. I'm Gordon's wife, and I help you sometimes when you skin your knee because I'm a nurse.
And I'm Miles, Gordon and Susan's son.
Susan Nurse, Miles' son. Got it.
Right. Hey.
Well, when we heard about Big Bird's memory flu, we came right over.
Who are you?
I'm Bob, the music teacher. And this is Linda, the librarian.
Well, what's all this stuff you're doing with your hands?
Big Bird wants to know what's all this stuff we're doing with our hands. He really doesn't remember us. I use American Sign Language, Big Bird. I speak with my hands because I'm deaf. I can't hear. My ears don't work. But Big Bird, I'm not deaf, but I speak with sign language, okay? Big Bird, you've got to remember. Linda, Bob, Big Bird, we've sung lots and lots of songs together. Don't you remember?
Really?
Really?
I sing?
Yes,
Yeah,
of
Big
course.
Bird. Yeah.
Oh, and what a nice doggy you have.
That's Barkley, Linda's dog.
Oh, hi, Barkley.
Yeah. And this is Sesame Street. Does Big Bird remember now?
I think so. Okay, You're Selena.
No.
You're Gordon.
No, Big Bird. No, I'm
You're
Gordon
Bob.
and she's Selena.
I'm
You're Linda.
No,
No,
that's Miles and Susan.
You're Miles, and you're Susan, and you're Elmo.
Elmo,
You're the
no,
cute
that's
little red
Barkley
thing,
the dog.
and this is
No,
Barkley
this is Elmo.
Street.
No, this is Sesame Street, not Barkley
Sesame
Street.
Big Bird.
Oh, I'll get it. Hey, how come you guys want me to get my memory back?
Well, Big Bird, it's because we love you.
Love? What's love?
Big Bird, love is when you care about what happens to someone. And we want you to get over this memory flu. So come on, let's take a walk, and we'll see some other people and some things that you love. And then you'll remember. Okay? Don't worry, Big Bird.
What's worry?
Come on, Big Bird.
Never mind.
Okay.
Don't you worry either. Elmo's going to do something to make sure Big Bird remembers. Don't you worry.
So, Big Bird, did that third milkshake help you remember anything? That I'm Gina and I make these and this is Hooper's store and I work here?
And that I own it and that I'm Mr. Hanford.
Well, no. But these are delicious. What do you call them again?
Birdseed milkshakes. Don't you remember drinking these before?
No.
Oh.
Hey, everybody, don't worry. Big Bird, come over here.
Oh, me?
Yes, go.
Elmo has just the thing to help Big Bird remember. Bird-Keteers.
Who?
Bird-Keteers, Big Bird. They're in Big Bird's club. Big Bird plays with them a lot and does fun things with them.
Really? Like what?
Like what? Well, like Big Bird sings the alphabet with them.
What's the alphabet?
What's the alphabet? Help Elmo out here, somebody. Oh, good.
The alphabet is 26 letters that make words. Maybe we should sing it.
Yeah, good idea.
Well, who are you three?
I'm Carlo.
I'm Maxine. I'm Michael.
Well, let's sing. La, la, la.
No, Big Bird. The alphabet song goes like this. Come on, let's all sing, everybody. Come on, Bird-Keteers.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Well?
I don't know.
Well, let's sing it again. Come on, everybody. You sing too, okay? Help Big Bird remember. Come on.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Very catchy tune. Hey, I think I remember now.
Yeah?
Yes, this is Bird-Keteer Street.
Okay, look, don't worry. We'll just do what the doctor said. Let Big Bird see and be with all those who love him and all the things that he loves. Okay, and we'll just keep walking around.
Okay.
And Big Bird, we won't give up until you get over this memory flu. You can count on it, all right?
Okay,
Let's
great
go.
idea. Okay.
Count! That gives Elmo a great idea.
Maria, my name's Maria. Big Bird, don't you remember?
No.
I'm Gabby, her daughter, and this is my papi, her husband.
Yeah, Luis. I'm Luis. Maria and I run the fix-it shop.
Oh, well, isn't that nice? And you over there, are you related to these nice folks?
No, I'm Tara. I'm a friend. I'm your friend too, Big Bird.
Really? Boy, I have a lot of friends.
No lo puedo creer que no se acuerda de nadie.
Hey, what was that?
That's Spanish, another language, Big Bird. We use it a lot around here. Does it sound familiar?
No, I can't say that it does, Maria.
Nice. Everybody, Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird. Look, Elmo brought someone who is sure to help you remember.
Oh, thank you, little red guy.
No, that's Elmo. And Elmo brought you Count Fine Count.
Good idea, Elmo.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Count.
Oh, brother, I better get started. Big Bird, I heard the news and I know just what you need.
What's that?
Counting, of course.
Counting? What's counting?
Counting? Counting is wonderful, counting is marvelous, counting's the best thing to do. Counting is happiness, counting is ecstasy. I love to count, don't you? You can count when you're happy. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count when you're sad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or count when you're frightened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count when you're mad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah! Counting is wonderful. Counting is marvelous. Counting's terrific, and how I am pleased to announce you can add up amounts, put some bounce in your life and start counting now. You see, Big Bird, if you wanted to find out how many people were here on Sesame Street that love you right now,
yes,
you could count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 people. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 people who love you. 15, 16, 17 people who love you. And I, the Count, make 18 people here on Sesame Street who love you.
That's nice.
Counting is wonderful. Counting is marvelous. Counting is terrific and high.
That's why I love it so. You can add up amounts, put some bounce in your life and start counting now. Counting now. Oh, good. Did all that counting help you remember Sesame Street? We do that a lot around here, Big Bird.
No, but thanks anyway, Maria.
No, I'm not Maria.
I'm Maria.
And I'm the Count.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, don't panic. Let's just go back to Big Bird's nest. Maybe we missed something there that'll help him get over this memory flu.
My nest? I have a nest?
Come on, this way, Big Bird.
Come on, Pájaro, this way. Come on.
Elmo just thought of something that is sure to help Big Bird remember.
Anything? Does anything remind you of anything?
Well, no.
Not to worry, not to worry. Here comes Elmo. With Snuffy.
Hey, good idea. Now this should work.
Bird, it's me, Bird.
This is Big Bird's very, very best friend of all time, Mr. Snuffleupagus. But we all call him Snuffy.
Wow. Nice to meet you, Mr. Snuffy.
Nice to meet me. Bird, don't you remember me?
Afraid not.
Oh, what about all the great stuff we did together, Bird?
We did great stuff together? Like what?
Well, like playing tag.
Right, remember?
And going shopping together. And remember when we used to go to the movies, Bird? And how about dancing? Remember when we danced together, Bird?
No, I don't remember any of that. But I bet we had fun.
Oh, we did, Bird. We did have fun. Oh, this is terrible. Oh,
Snuffy, it's okay. It's gonna be okay.
No.
Yeah,
He'll get his memory back.
don't cry there, whatever your name is.
Snuffy!
Well, hey, don't cry. Well, we can just start being friends all over again if you want.
We can?
Sure. Let me introduce myself. Hi. They tell me my name is Big Bird. What's yours?
Aloysius Snuffleupagus.
Oh. Nice to meet you. Do you want to play with me?
Well, sure. How about tag?
Tag? I don't remember how to play tag.
Oh, it's easy, Bird. All you gotta do is run, and I'll chase after you and tag you.
Okay, you got it. Here I go. Try to catch me.
Here I come, Bird. He's still the best friend I ever had, even if he doesn't remember.
Don't worry. Elmo will find something to give Big Bird to remember.
So ends the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Do you remember this one, Big Bird?
No.
Do you remember me? I'm Ruthie. I own this store. It's called Finders Keepers. Oh, and Big Bird, I sell great stuff. I sell books, toys, clothes, music, and I tell wonderful stories.
Oh, but sorry.
You gotta remember me, Big Bird. Telly Monster.
Telly Monster.
Yeah, you remember me, right?
Wrong, sorry.
How about me, huh? Remember me? I'm Baby Bear. I was in one of the stories.
Yeah, and me, Zoe. I like the stories. Zoe, remember? Yeah, you también. Me too. I like stories too. I'm Rosita. ¿Te acuerdas? Remember?
No.
Oh, you gotta remember, Big Bird. Telly.
Baby Bear.
Zoe. Rosita.
Ruthie.
No. But I do remember something.
Oh, what?
I love playing tag with this guy. Tag, you're it. You'll never get me.
At least Big Bird's having fun.
There's gotta be something in this nest that can help Big Bird remember.
You're right, yes. Could it be cute and brown and furry and adorable?
Yeah?
Ah. Could it be radar?
Oh, very good, Count. Come on. Hey, everybody.
What? What is it?
This is how Big Bird remember.
Hey! It's radar!
Radar. Radar. Good idea.
It's radar. Oh, radar. What a fantastic idea.
Radar.
Oh, radar.
Great job, Elmo. Great job, Count. You know, if radar doesn't get Big Bird's memory back, I don't know what will. Hey, Big Bird, come here.
Come on, Big Bird. Come here. Look. What's here?
What?
Big Bird, do you know who this is?
Well, it's...
Who is it, Big Bird?
It's, radar. Who do you think?
Big Bird remembered. Elmo knew radar would work.
Yes, that's one. One bird that remembered.
Remembers what?
Radar!
Well, of course I did. Susan, Gordon, would somebody please tell me what's the matter with Elmo?
Big Bird, you had the memory flu.
Memory flu? Yeah. What's that?
Well, that's when birds forget things. But now you're all better.
Yeah.
I am?
Yes. Well, maybe we better make sure.
Yeah.
Okay, Big Bird. What is my name, and where are we?
Well, you're Selena, and we're on Sesame Street. And there's Susan, and that's Louise, and Ruthie, and Miles, and Maria, and Linda, and Michael, and Gabby, and you, Gordon.
Yeah.
And here's Bob, and Mr. Hanford, and Gina, and Selena, and Carlo, and Rosita, and Zoe, and Tara, and Baby Bear, and Lexine, and Telly, and Elmo, and the Count. And my pal Snuffy.
Oh, Bird, I'm so happy.
Me too.
Big Bird and his amazing mind are back!
Now this is what I call a great day!
Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away.
On my way to where the air is sweet.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter J and by the number 14 and by the best friends